roasted pumpkin soup today. I've taken a pumpkin that is called a Cinderella pumpkin. It's a sweeter pumpkin and it's great for cooking. I'm going to be cutting this up and putting olive oil and salt and pepper on it and roasting it in the oven, and I will show you later how the finished product comes out. So we've roasted the Cinderella pumpkin off. We had drizzled a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper on it. And you can see how beautiful and golden brown it's come. The natural sugars come out of it when you roast it. So when I make soups, that's one thing that I like to try to bring the natural ingredients out of a vegetable. And roasting right on point does it. After this, then I'm gonna do mirepoix, which is celery, carrots, and onion, and some butter. And we're gonna combine the pulp into that, and I'll show you the next stage in a few minutes. Hi, so now we have peeled the pumpkin and we sauteed off carrot, celery, and onion in butter until it's soft. And we've had the pumpkin, we put it in chunk-sized pieces, and we're gonna let this simmer till everything's nice and soft, and then we'll be finishing it by pureeing it and putting a quart of heavy cream in it, and you'll see the finished product in a few minutes. Hi, so it's the end of the day and we've accomplished the roasted pumpkin soup, and it looks quite delicious. I have to say, the aroma that was coming off of it smelled like pumpkin pie baking in the oven for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna take a little taste of it. Ah, delicious. On a nice wintry night, it'll be perfect. Enjoy.